Friday, June 8, 9, something like that. Anyway, oh, I had to bring my herbs in because they're having a very cool day out there. I don't know if they're going to be saved, but I'm got one more little basket to do there. But the pilot house is almost done. Some baskets in Mowat's the other day, and I'm pretty tickled. Oh, good. Got my laundry hanging there. There we are. And we've got some company coming over for some French bread and cheese and kubi and a glass of wine. That's good. This is today's fashion statement because I have to pull out the anchor in the rain while he stands inside.
We've got a new technique going.
Yeah.
We'll see how it works.
I'm the technique. I get to go out there and pull up the anchor and rinse it off and all that stuff, so. Okay. And so maybe when I'm out there every once in a while, you could just press record. Sunday, June 10th, out of Montague Harbor and on our way slowly meandering toward Dodd Narrows so we can catch slack tide on Monday morning because we're going to Nanaimo. So we're dropping the pick somewhere tonight we have 4 different options here. North Cove, Coulette Bay, Boat Harbor, Ruxton Passage. 4 possible places. We'll just see how tight they are when we get there. Hang for a couple nights. And then pay this exorbitant fee at a marina when we already have our house with us. But necessary evil because there's nowhere around there that we can drop anchor to go in and get our stuff. That looks like Pella over there. Anyway, later gators. All right. A few hours later, here we are in this beautiful, peaceful little North Cove, and it was all ours until 10 minutes ago.
That's okay.
But that's okay. It's beautiful, peaceful. It stopped raining, and the sun is trying to come through the clouds.
Don't do that.
Don't do that? Don't try.
Spinning around like a drunken sailor.
No. And got a nice little roast in the oven, which I can't show you right now because the lid's on it. But a little bit of Yorkies, a nice little beef roast, some mashed spuds, and it's gonna be good. I love cooking. Here's my Yorkie pan. Shall report back later.
Aye.
It's probably about enough carving for now, babe.
Okay.
We got the mashed spuds. Not gonna lift that lid yet. That, and I'm gonna turn off the Yorkies. Oh my goodness. Yep, they're ready. Oh boy.
All right, then I'll stop.
All right. Let's eat. Good night from North Cove Bay Harbor. I never remember where we are. It's just north something. Isn't that